Alright, I'm gonna get started. No one's on, and that is fine with me because I'm on. And I am. Oh, look at there. Now, I already went up to my level and rejecting. So. I'm a trader. I don't miss the market days. So I'm only concerned about making sure I'm on here and doing what I need to do. You know? All right. So I kind of like it is using this 4 hour, but I also, oh, that's my fib from yesterday. It's a motif that it truly would mean that they will get it. Well, the fib did come down to there, but it came down to their win in the at night. No, it came down there like 4 o'clock. Rejected. Yep. Let's see. Here, this yellow line. I had put this here yesterday. Came up to there, rejected, and then went up throughout the night and all that. So fibs be hitting. So let's see. I'm gonna move it to Monday 5. That's pretty far out. So I don't want it that far out. I want it to be today, Friday. Oh shit. Friday. Now price is about right there. I'll leave that there. And then I don't, oh, this price went through this already, so take that off. Let's see. Whole thing there. Oh, that's a breaker block. Right here is a breaker block. Price went straight through that. But where's this now? Where's this border block coming from? 15-minute chart? No. 5-minute chart? No. But where's this even coming from? Take that off. I don't know what that is. I think I'm gonna make this like breaker block because yeah. Because we're in here only 56.5 ticks there. Price is pretty far up, but I don't think price gonna come. I mean, it could. Price probably come to here. Could come to here, may not come all the way down to here. Yeah, I don't know what that is anyway. So, the breaker block, we'll leave that. This is the breaker block right here. because instead of price reacting to it and being bearish, it flew through it. So now it's considered a breaker block. So where's that off? Not want to use a lot of stuff. Still using that area because price was there, so I'm just gonna keep that there. It's a gap right there. I didn't even notice that. New day opening gap. I feel like that gap should be letter should be black. Also, I think the outline should be black. So many other things to get to today. We're going to talk some stuff along with hosting the Ring Spot this morning. Not the point where we talk the city of Mike Williams going to join us first on CNBC right after the game. YouTube obviously studying, I guess Airbnb, signal laser guidance, the images, and it's kind of really minutes and rounds. The other team, live, regular, get a moment. Alright, so all that down there looks good. Price is far up though, so we need to focus on what's up here. What is this? Oh, that's that 4 hour breaker, but I'm gonna make that a OB. Just gonna take this off. I'll leave that. It's a good 4 hour OB too, right in the price. And I'm gonna take this off and make something different right there. It's too big. It's tough for sure, but less tough than the word. How big is that? That look like on a 1 minute or 1 hour. I like this one better. Yeah, we used the whole thing. I like that better. Yes. Now let's see what we can find over here. Not so big that well, all of these are huge. That green, that's huge right now. But it's already halfway through it, so I don't use that. And I think price already went through this supply and demand zone. So it's like might as well check that out. Even though it can use it on the way down. So I'm gonna leave it because it can use it as support on the way down. Let's see if I can find something on a 15-minute chart over here. That's a little bit smaller.
Morning.
Good morning. I'll use that one. A little above.
It's just me and you today.
Looks like it so far. I don't know if my cousin or my friend's gonna join. My cousin, she might be in a meeting, joining late. She didn't text me or anything, so.
This is your cousin.
Oh, she was Niecy the way you got on talk about good morning. Trying to be professional because you know I'm recording. I'm put your butt on YouTube talking all that trash. Yeah, so I don't know if Shantae, she said today, oh yes, the other day she said her schedule might have her a little behind today, but we'll see. So
I
I was
actually
just
got a meeting
charting
at 9:32. I gotta talk in this one.
at 9:30.
Yeah, so I mean I'm still gonna have the Discord up, but yeah.
So
It's
I
my
just was
stand up
charting,
meeting.
trying to find order blocks and stuff. So I had a big 4 hour one, but price was already like in that 4 hour order block. So I wanted to kind of find a smaller one where price wasn't at yet. Because right now
Mm-hmm.
price is like right here at this line, and my order block was all the way down to here. It was like from here to up here. And so I found this one out, this 15-minute order block that price is probably trying to go up into and reject. So we will see. And then also marked off, I had an order block uh here. I think here from yesterday. It was like somewhere in here, but price disrespected that, so I took that off. Oh, right here. It was like right here somewhere, but price disrespected that and came through it throughout the night. Price went down a lot throughout the night. Price just jumped up a lot because it was NFP news, which is non-farm payroll. And it's basically the farmer's payroll, the stats for it, and the market usually reacts in one way or the other really strong. So like a 1 minute candle for non-farm payroll is it's always at 8:30. Like NFP, CPI, those are a lot of news that makes the market react, which I'm going to talk about in our mentorship when I go over fundamentals. But
Mm-hmm.
like this one candle was 90 ticks, and if I looked at NQ, that one candle probably like 200 and something ticks. So let's see. See this one candle for NQ, 200, no, 364 ticks, 91 points. So that's just a 1 minute candle. So in 1 minute, price went up that high. So just to kind of give you, if you have one contract for NFP on Nasdaq, you have got $1,600 in the 1 minute candle.
Oh wow.
Yeah, one minute candle because of that news that comes out. It comes out once a month. I think the first Friday of every month. It comes out, and then but yeah, so that's an important news, and CPI is important news. Um, CPI is important news, and so this like this. Yeah, CPI is important news. NFP is important news, and there are a few things that's like important news that we'll go over. It's like where's
Mm.
6 to 87. Move this out the way. Then I go back here and finish this. All right, so this was a new day opening gap from a while ago, so I just remarked this off. I don't know why I had to take it off, but basically a new day opening gap is when the market closes at 4 o'clock or whatever, and then reopens at 6 o'clock. If it shoots up and there's no candles in between, like it doesn't just go up steadily, it just shoots
Uh-huh.
up and skips over, you want to mark that off because the market likes to correct that. It usually will correct it within the day. If it doesn't fully correct it that day, it'll correct it at least 50%, which it did because it ended here at 4 and it shot up here at 6. So that was all the way up here. So it did correct it 50% by going right here because it shot all the way up here and then it corrected it by like 50%. You could see that from probably like a fib. See 50. Where's 50? Then do my 50. Why is that so dark? I mean, so light. I forgot be having this. I had it so light because I had my screen was black before. Black. Now I need this to be black. So this was like, oh, I mean, right here. So yep, it went exactly 50. You see, it went to this 50 line. Yep, that's what I learned that from the ICT dude, which I'll talk about him too in our mentorship. But it went up, it came and corrected it at least 50%, and then it said forget the rest and just left. But eventually, it's gonna come down here and correct the rest when it starts to come back down. But yeah, that was and you can trade that because you're like, okay, well, um, it went up when you come in the morning. You can say, oh, I know price about to come and correct this new day opening gap. I don't know how much, but I'm going to take a trade to correct it once it starts to get down here. So that's something that you can always look to trade. Dang, the market about to open in like 9 minutes. That's quick. We'll finish doing this. So, that's that. I have levels that I want to trade off of because I don't want to put too many levels. So I feel like I have enough levels here. Maybe I'll put this level right here in case price falls. I have something right here. This will be green though. Yeah. That's okay. That's like a 30-minute order block because I marked off 2 15-minute candles. And just be patient because yesterday was a really good trade day for me. I had one and done. I took one trade. My very first trade was good. I was patient. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm just trying to have that.
I'm
Same
trying to
thing.
win. I need some money, man.
Girl, you and me both.
I need some money.
Girl,
No,
I
I
just
need some
had to
money like right
re-sign
now.
Sydney up for school for her, her private school. So I
Uh-huh.
just finished paying tuition for this school year like 2 weeks ago, and now I just had to sign the contract for the new tuition for next year and started having to pay that already.
I just had to pay all kind of bills, and
Girl, I'm
man,
like, this
I
is
don't,
just
I
too
don't even want nobody
much.
to say the M word. I
I'm
don't. I
telling
got
you.
paid, and
Girl, me too.
today
I just
was
got
payday.
paid and had to pay everything, so much stuff, and I'm like, am I even
Well,
gonna be able to
today
have a
was
dollar from
payday.
this
I got it
paycheck left
Wednesday.
over to have a cocktail? Or
Man, man, I got paid Wednesday. Today's actual payday, but I got paid Wednesday because of my bank.
yeah,
Man, fuck
girl,
out of
it be
here.
gone as soon as you get paid.
Yes.
I'm telling you, I got paid today, and over probably like almost half of it was taken out before I even woke up from bills just coming out.
Man.
It went in probably like
Yep.
1 in the morning, and then the other bills started coming after it by
Yep.
1:32. It's like,
Yep.
could I at least
It's
have
like
saw
you just
it in my account before y'all start taking it out? They
right get
like,
smacked left
nah,
and right.
yep. Oh, this is a
No
good,
Vaseline. They just smacked me.
yeah, this is a good level. It's got a that 5-minute order block. So it might come. So I did leave this because this was a supply and demand that price should have rejected from, and it did reject from it a little bit, but not a lot. So I left this because I figured it probably would be a like before it was a resistance level, but now I left this because I'm like it should probably turn into a support level. And it had the order block right by it too. So I'm like, yeah, that's gonna probably turn into a support level for sure. So I am going to put this little order block thing here, I guess. I don't want to put a bunch of stuff on my chart, but it's like I don't know if I should take the that off and just use the yeah, I think I'm just gonna use the order block, the 5 minute order block, and take the supply and demand level off and see what happens from there. So price don't the market don't open in 5 minutes, and we gonna see what happens. I just need to be chilling and relaxed. Oh yeah. Say my little prayer, and here we go. 650. Buys at 650. That's where my order block is. So I'm working there at 685. 690. Already used that. And what else? Bookmarks 5,700. Let's see. 5,700. There's a lot of stuff right there.
You know what? I hate when people say relax to me because that make me want to
Just
lose
gonna
my
make you
shit.
more unrelaxed.
Gonna really make me lose my shit. Don't ever tell me to
That's
relax.
like you relax, sir or ma'am. Like,
Right. Because then
no,
I'm gonna want
you
to say a whole
relax.
lot more.
Right.
Relax. That's playing with my psyche.
Like I was relaxed until you said
Right.
that.
Go tell your mammy to relax. Oh man. This is crazy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Crazy,
I
crazy.
need some money. Can we get this money tomorrow?
Girl, I wish.
Today?
But it's gonna be like that in a minute. That's why I'm on these charts every day. Cause in a minute I'm about to be having 10K days every time.
Man.
Every day,
That's what I need.
10K days.
That's what I need. All right, I'm about to jump on here with these
Okay.
here weirdos.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. 10K days. That's what I'm shooting for. Oh yeah, I bought me a new screen. I wonder what that screen gonna be looking like. Get my new screen up. Mm-hmm. 28. Let's see. I'm gonna keep this level up here. The price comes back up to that level. 700. I'm gonna take a trade. Let's see. What the sales? Do I want the writing to be like that color, or do I want it to be? Oh, like that, like that. Reverse. The setups. Okay. Go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
I'm so happy it's Friday. Right.
My cousin was just on. She had to go get on a meeting real quick though. She's still up looking, but she's on a meeting. So let's see how this gonna happen. What's gonna happen here?
Morning. Good morning, Josie. Good morning, girls. I'm barely here, but I'm here, okay? Yeah, same. It's Friday. Oh, I got in at like 1 a.m. last night.
Yep.
Yeah, me and Kelly went through some travel chaos yesterday. Really? Yeah, they delayed our flight out of Cedar Rapids. First they delayed it for 3
Maybe you should
hours, and then
mute.
they
Put
sent us a
your
message like
stuff on mute
20 minutes later.
because I'm recording, so I don't know
Your
if you want
flight is
all
a
that in
mess
the
delayed
background.
now. After we like checked every single option.
How do I mute people? Oh, okay. They muted themselves. That was Star talking. I thought that was somebody else getting on. She was saying good morning to somebody else on the meeting. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Let's see what happens here. That could be a 1 minute order block that is going to right there. This 1 minute order block rejecting from this. But I think it's going to go up to here before it actually does any type of real rejections. That was a good trade to take it off of this came and rejected, I think, from here. But we'll see what happened. I'm gonna wait. See what happens. Let's see. I think price is gonna go up to there, which is also a 1 minute order block, or is that a 5 minute too? That is 5 minutes, but it's more so like a 1 minute up here. Yeah. Yep. I'll take that buy up, but we'll see. That's also it could be like maybe you don't even want to go all the way up there. It's just resisting from this. But it's probably just doing like a little bit of a retracement for that. But I think price gonna want to go up there. Let's see. Still have those buys 370. Oh, but there's all these buys here too. I mean sales here too. So price is getting pushed down all everywhere. But I'm gonna wait for it to get up higher. Yep, I'm not trading range trading. No range trading for me. because that would be having me messed up. Because look at these.
All right. Next up, we have our estimate resource meeting. So yesterday we learned
go back on mute.
because I was on site.
Go back on mute.
Today we're going to discuss
go on
if there's any
mute.
coverage that is needed
How do
for
I
next
mute
week for
people?
any of your installs, and then also if you have any blockers or any challenges with your implementations. So first things first.
Your
does
call,
anybody need
star.
coverage
Mute
for
your
next week's meeting?
call.
I will not be here next week or the week after. I have touched base with Jennifer. I've touched base with Star, and Kelly knows as well. But I think
that is annoying. Yeah. What the hell? I gotta figure out how to do this. Meet people. How much was that? Like, oh, that was perfect too. I don't know, should I get in there? We just see, but that's still kind of like ranging. What should have got in before?
Order filled.
No, it's coming back up.
Order filled.
Negative 167, so that's not bad. But now look, it is coming back down to at
Order filled.
I'm getting out because I
Order filled.
already made $500, so because I got in with 2 contracts. So that was good enough. I made 322. So, and I need to change this out of 2 contracts now back to 1. So that was a good trade because I had lost 167, made back 500, so I'm up 300, and so now my balance is 51,775, and I still have 2 days on this. So I have to get yeah, minus 51775. So I need 1225 divided by I think 2. So I only need like $600 more a day. But I think I may have 3 days on this. No, I think I only have 2 days. Yeah, because the first day I got like 1,000, then yesterday, then today, 3 days. Yeah, 2 days. So I only need $600 Monday and 600 on Tuesday. So yeah, that was a good trade. 2 trades, and I already said 2 trades is good enough. And I definitely don't want to take no more trades and then be
Airbnb, last night we talked about travelers waiting and seeing their guy. I know I got a room here 3 nights below. Okay, so Brian says you have this, and you already have that, Brian. There's this one habit of buying something that's real.
Oh, look at that. It's going.
He did have this thing, there's this not a lot of booking, this thing, they just something's wrong. This guy goes out of the day to keep the sale on his own stuff. Well, you know, take your deal of that, and then you take the whole.
I'm not really trying to trade and lose my money though. That's the thing. Like price be back and forth, back and forth. And I ain't on that back and forth stuff with price. That 5 ticks will get me knocked out quick. Going back up to that line, I'm rejecting. Taking quick trades like 10 and 2 sometimes will get you jacked up. So really got to be careful with that. Especially with this stop here. I'm watching my 15-second chart on my Trading. See. Oh shoot. Listen at that. It's really a indicator of better for me, like to take quick 10-second trades, but that look like it's going to come back down for sure. So you knock that out, but then also you just probably want to knock that out so that it can continue back up. It's like a small rejection, and it's like kind of like range trading a little, so I don't like to range trade for sure. See, look, it's just sitting there doing the most in the middle right there. Injecting ways of money, that is, we're getting results in now, people are buying that. Look, I think it will go be, yes, there's a price competition. CBS could be acquired and not to make it so that there's no reason to be price competition, but that's it's the injection. It's the pill that matters. 89% of the people who take the injection want to put, we have that over and over and over again. It doesn't do it. From this long the other thing really interesting, Jim. Put this over here. That's over here.
That's kind of difficult. The best thing that I was trying to do, that's where my really entertaining. You keep coming back to it, you talk about it again. And we need to judge because it's things, but this is the Bible for something. Because we finally have breath, we have more, we have almost everything I live in, Jesus comes to that. We also still down. But in most areas, and it's just put back then, before this is no. Only in the recession, you don't get back then.
I'm just away from my mechanic.
There are many things that are doing well, except for they are, you have someone who's good at my work, and you see the check on just take it out its own way. So, and then you have to take fee, which is a good, that's not gentlemen saying that, when you do make it, you get paid, but that is, there's no one reports on loss.
What's my brother talking about? I'm really done for the day, honestly. Because all I'm doing is sitting on the chart, tempting myself to make trades that I don't need to make. So, especially I have this up for no reason. I don't need to take $200 more.
You speak with us into short out. You can listen now, no such. You want to go back?
Just in the range, in the range, in the range. What's going on in the range, in the range? This can be so did it go up to this? No? Went up to that? It's just in the range. Trading in the range. This here makes it look like you want to go bullish because as soon as I take this off, that's when I need it because rejection, 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 rejection. This is ready to go up. All these are rejection candles. Letting you know this wants to take a wants to go up. Look at that. Breaking up stuff. Definitely look at that. Definitely want to go up. What is that? All that. All this 5-minute stuff. But it should want to clean this up before it go up. At least come down here and then go up. So like it should at least want to do that. You know?
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know why I got out of that, but 412 should have stayed in that and got my little 250, but now that means I need to get out because I'm doing random stuff. See that? Randomness. Random orders. That was three trades, so that's my max. So you think it's gonna go some more? This is like need to not be in there. Not be in here taking trades. It went to this, you know? When it's rejecting like it should. Yep, that's good rejection. Oh shit. Try to start going up to here though, you know?
Order filled.
See, look at me.
Order filled.
That's what I'm saying. See what I be doing. Now I lost some money because I'm taking bad trades and I'm taking sales in the middle of this is when I lose my money. Taking sales when I should be taking buys. And then little by little, you won't have any money. So. Yeah, I think I should get out of this market. It's definitely on the way up anyway, so. Oh, shoot. Dang. Oh, look at that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now I'm done. Because what was that? $6.92. That's all I really needed. And I'm done now. I'm logging out. Logging out of this. Okay. I did take 4 trades, and I should have only taken no more than 3, but let me log out over here. Log out here. That way I won't take any more trades. And that's it. I'm done for today. So I'm logging out, stopping the recording.